Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. We're here doing some Retro Bowl here today. Should be a lot of fun. And we're just going to start a new series here today. So let's go off a new game. Bears, I'm in Season 13. Won a Retro Bowl before. Here we go. Let's make my guy real quick. Just starting a new series for the sake of the video. Last name doesn't fit. My favorite team. Gonna go Chicago. Me. Make me. Alright. Oh, we're starting for Washington. Alright. And I know what I'm doing. Let's see what we got on the roster. Alright, looks like we got a pretty bad roster. We got a good alright defender. Nice. Alright, well, we're going to get right in the game here today. Week 18 against Cowboys. Probably going to get whooped. Here we go. Going to be wearing my favorite jersey that they have, the black camo. And have them wear the stuff, they're a regular home jersey. Alright, well, we'll see how we do. I tried doing something, then I bombed.
Hey, go, get out!
He has it. He's breaking tackles. He's getting into the 35. He's picking up the yards. Throwing down the middle again, breaking a tackle. He running the 50. He going to the 40. He going to the 35, the 30, the 25, the 20. I think we all know he's gone. And they bring him down. Nice pickup on the play. Nice job. We're outside, breaking a tackle. We all know he's gone. Touchdown, Commanders. And he's getting it. Wiley going to the inside the 10-yard line. What a pickup on the play. And they're getting the job done. Coming back, might just take the lead. Front deep, downtown Randy Brown. And he has Wiley for a touchdown. 8-yard touchdown on the play. You know he's gone. RQB. Downtown, and he's breaking tackles. He's going to the 40. He's going to the 50. He's going to the 40. I think we all know he might go all the way. Is he going to the 30, the 20, the 10? We know he's all gone. Touchdown. Is he diving? But that's a 76-yard pickup on the play. Nice job. 1-on-1, and he picks it up. Touchdown. 3 touchdowns by the quarterback. 3 passing touchdowns for him. He's having himself a nice little day here. Tap back, and it's picked off. Come on, my man. He's getting to the 40, the 35, the 30, the 25, breaking the tackle, and they're able to bring him down by the legs around the 20-yard line. Reads the defense, and that was a nice job on that play. Arena defense, sees a man open, throws it to him, nice simple throw and catch. Sees a man open, going to the 10, he's in there. Wiley on his first, second touchdown of the day. Touchdown, Dobbs. Washington, whooping. Almost. And 3 yards, not really the greatest. Giving it to the halfback again. Trying to run it. He's inside the 30, the 25, the 20. I think he might go all the way, I believe. We know he's gone. Touchdown, Washington. And they are whooping right now. And it is now 33-13. Dives in there to make it 34-13. Washington is whooping. Up. You know it's good. from 44. Great game, everybody. Well, I'm going to praise the fans for sticking with the organization. New Orleans won the Super Bowl. Alright, everybody, welcome. And yeah, we're going to get to the draft. Alright, let's see our roster here. We can use more defense, so let's go with a good defensive lineman. Yeah, that guy is pretty good, actually. Nice strength, nice tackling, decent all-right speed, and a good amount of stamina. We're going to get him. Drafting him. Now, round 2, probably going to go for a defensive back. Looks like this guy can do it. Yep. Oh, good all-around player, so I'm going to get him. That's 2 great linemen and a good defensive back. Kind of old quarterback. Maybe get a alright, new quarterback that would kind of get mentored a little bit. Guy's alright. Oh, we could use an offensive lineman, actually, so let's go ahead. This guy's actually a gem, so I'm going to give him. Nice. Alright, well, thank you everybody for watching this video. Hope you guys had a great day. Just showing you guys on Twitch. Have a great day, everybody.